Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to recover deleted message on WhatsApp using Google Drive. This is very easy to recover deleted message from Android phone by Google Drive. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. To recover deleted message by Google Drive, first you go to your WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, then go to three dot and then go to setting, then see and go chat option, and go to chat backup. You should do backup. Wait for completing backup completed, and before you get Google Drive, you should add your account in your Google account. Here back, after completing, verify the last backup date and time, uninstall your WhatsApp. Okay, first to uninstall, then go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, and install. Wait for installation. Okay, open your WhatsApp. After installation complete, go to open, select English, then go English, then verify your phone number and follow on screen promotes. Agree and continue. Verify your phone number. Next. Contact and media. Okay. Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contact. Allow WhatsApp to access photo and media on your device. Allow. Here you have see that restore backup. See, restore backup. Okay, I want to restore backup. This is here I am to account, my Google account already added, and I want to restore account. Okay, restore. Preparing for restoring. Okay, restore completed. See, restore completed. Okay, next. This is my name. Next. Create a passkey for security. Okay, don't need escape. This is initializing step. Please wait for a moment. Okay, restoring media, all data, and preparing my WhatsApp. All that are being restored and preparing my WhatsApp by restoring. Wait few minutes. This restoring will be very fast if your data connection have high speed. Okay, finished restoring media. Wait to complete finished restoring media. After completing, you will get all data restored. Okay, complete my all data restored. Here I am saying that I hope this video will be helpful for you to get backup all data restored by Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until now, I want to say please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us and to encourage me to make like this video in future. Thank you so much.